dream.
Grabe, punong-puno kami ng rubber sa mukha namin.
What do you mean, dream?
Guys, medyo wala na akong boses, but today we are in Japan and right now we are at the Mobara Twin Circuit for the final bout Special Stage Japan. Actually, hindi namin alam na merong final bout dito sa Japan. Final Bout is an American drift series. Doon talaga sila nag-originate and ang style nila is more on mga street style drift cars. And isa sa mga requirements nila is kailangan pare-pareho kayo ng livery, pare-pareho kayo ng kulay ng kotse, same style. So para pag nag-drift kayo ng sabay-sabay, maganda tignan. So isipin nyo, ganun sila lahat dito. Sobrang angas. Puro GZX 100, may mga Silvia. Unfortunately, walang mga A86. Malungkot pero okay lang, ang ganda naman ng mga kotse. Actually, dito tayo sa Japan for almost 3 weeks. Punta tayo for Luftgekült but unfortunately, hindi tayo nakapunta because nag-racing tayo for Toyota Gazoo Racing Philippines. Sumakto yung date, so I have to move my date. So dumating tayo after Luftgekült, nag-Red Bull Japan tayo. And hindi talaga namin alam na may final bout dito sa Japan. So si Jose nagsabi sa amin, guys, may final bout sa Japan, kaso sila uuwi na. And kami ni Ed and Chino ang natira. Kami yung big 3 dito sa Japan. Big 3. Kasi wala, lahat sila na-evict na. So nag-uwian na sila. So kami lang ni Chino and Ed ang nag-e-enjoy ng Final Bout Japan ngayon. So ngayon, nanonood lang sila sa mga stories namin, iniinggit namin sila. Pero guys, sobrang saya ng Japan trip namin kasama sila Alex, si Kev, si Jim, si Kuya Jom, sino pa ba? Si Jose. Si Jose. Nakalimutan ko si Ed saka si Chino. Yan. Pero kami tatlo na lang naiwan dito. But yeah, sobrang solid ng Japan trip namin. Wala na akong boses, nagkakasakit na ako. Pero ito yung last leg ng Japan trip namin, final bout. Ang daming kong gusto ngayon sa mga nakikita kong kotse. Gusto ko ng GZX, gusto ko ng Silvia ulit. Actually, may nakita pa akong Hilux na sobrang pogi. Guys, hindi lang puro drift cars nandito, meron ding 4x4. And poging-pogi ako sa Hilux na to. Simple lang siya, walang masyadong abubot, tall and thin. And ang ganda ng kulay, dark blue na may konting glitters. Ewan ko kung may ganda tayong kulay sa Pilipinas. But speaking of 4x4, I'm planning to build one in the Philippines soon. So guys, abangan nyo yun. Very excited ako doon sa 4x4 build natin. So guys, samahan nyo na lang ako, manood tayo ng drifting. Tingnan natin yung mga kotse nila. Alam nyo guys, isa sa mga cool factors dito sa final bout, hindi lang sila nag-judge based sa angle, sa speed, or sa smoke ng kotse. They also judge by the looks of the cars. Kailangan sobrang pogi, kailangan maganda yung fitment, kailangan maganda yung livery, yung paint, everything. Ganun sila. They focus more on the style itself. Kasi yun talagang essence ng drifting, yung style. So, Final Bout really focuses there and sobrang galing, ang angas. Kasi ito yung example ng mga styles sa Final Bout. Itong mga JZX na to, lahat sila same livery, same color, lahat sila JZX, same car. So, yan yung Final Bout, yan yung style nila. And sobrang angas. Lalo na pag nakita nyo silang mag-drift, sobrang aggressive ng team na to. Lahat sila dikit-dikit. Yun yung goal eh. Kailangan mag-drift kayo ng sabay-sabay and super close as much as possible para magawa mo yung drift train, sinasabi nila. At pag nagawa mo yun, sobrang ganda tignan, lalo na pag pare-pareho kayo ng kulay, pare-pareho kayo ng kotse, pare-pareho kayo ng livery. Sobrang angas. Alright guys, so right now I'm here with my idol. I'm a big fan of Noriaro. So he's the judge. He's
one of three judges today,
So
yeah.
How do you guys judge the final bout?
Honestly, it kind of judges itself. So the event here today is all groups of cars driving together to try and do the coolest team drift. The teams are usually 4 or 5 cars, sometimes 6. And they enter the course over there, come around here, this big main sweeping corner, and then up the straight and flick it into the first corner at the top of the hill. That's basically the course that we're using. And if you want to win, the best thing to do is, well, first of all is, the easiest way to say it is look cool.
Look cool.
just look cool. Make it exciting, for the people watching. If everyone watching is like excited to see you come around again, you're probably doing a good job. Cars being fairly close together when they're drifting, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, nicely spaced, like a train.
Yeah.
Really close together. And this particular course, out towards the wall a little bit, it looks kind of dangerous and it's exciting. Just nice, nice clean drifting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that, and keeping it a nice consistent distance all the way around. Every single car there has to be low, good fitment, nice wheels, nice body kit, nice
livery,
paint, livery paint, anything like that. Today they're a little bit less strict, but you do see some teams which all of the cars look cool. They sort of automatically have a bit of an extra bonus to them.
Yes. Thank you, man. Appreciate you.
No worries.
Can I give you a sticker and an air freshener of mine?
Yes.
These are my air fresheners.
Okay.
And this is my girlfriend's brand.
Okay.
She makes shift knobs, squeak release.
All right.
Yeah, and this is my sticker.
Is you?
Yeah, that's my brand.
Joy Car Life.
Yeah, that's my favorite line because in our car life, so everything breaks, everything goes to shit,
Yep.
and just say enjoy car life.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
And it applies in every way here in the whole world.
That's true. I'll give you one of mine.
Wow, thanks, man. Appreciate you. You're so tall, but I'm so small. Thank you, man. Appreciate your time.
No worries. Thank you.
Guys, nakakatuwa, meron ditong Cressida. But this Cressida is a wagon. Yung sa atin kasi sedan. But yeah, same face. Yan yung face ng Cressida natin, pang wagon. Actually, nung nakita ko to, sobrang na-inspire ako. Na-miss ko yung Cressida ko. Palang araw, bubuin din natin yung Cressida natin. But isa-isa lang ngayon, nakafocus tayo sa A86 natin. But hopefully this year, mabalik ko ulit yung Cressida, mapaandar ko siya. Sana magawa din natin siyang drift car katulad ng Cressida na to. And this Cressida has a T37V. Ito yung bagong T37. Naka 1JZ din tong Cressida na to. And wow, complete interior siya. Ganda ng upuan, naka bucket seats, non-reclinable, wood steering wheel. Grabe yung ganda. Parang pareho ng interior ng sa akin. But ours is red. Ito, gray. Oh shit, yung Cressida. Nabangga. Wasak yung harap. Ouch. Oh no. Grabe, punong-puno kami ng rubber sa mukha namin. Currently red flag, so may sumalpok. Tingnan natin kung ano nangyari. Grabe, may rubber pa sa mata ko. So kaya nag-red flag, ito pala. Nabangga, wasak yung buong pinto. Intense. So siya yung owner ng S13. Ang sakit. Wasak yung buong pinto. Guys, check out nyo tong S13 na to. This white S13 reminds me of my old white S13. Unfortunately, I sold my old S13 and pinalit natin yung AE86 natin ngayon doon. Yeah, nakakamiss yung mga ganitong kotse. Wala na masyadong makikita ng ganito sa Pilipinas ngayon. But ito, ang dami dito sa Japan. And may dumadating pa na S13. Sobrang pogi. Wild. Nakakatuwa yung mga driver dito sa Final Bout. Yung mga Hapon, sobrang wild nilang mag-drive. As in, talagang hardcore. And the same time, pag bumangga sila, pag nasira yung kotse nila, sila mismo gumagawa ng kotse nila. And for me, that's dedication, that's passion. Sobrang wild, nakaka-inspire. Alright guys, so I'm here with my friends. This is Nicole and Cora, right?
Yeah.
And gave them stickers and Enjoy Carlet Shiroko stickers. Yeah. And nice seeing you guys.
Nice meeting you.
Yeah, hope to see you guys again soon here in Japan.
Yes, or if you come back to Australia, definitely be over.
Yeah, for sure. Thank you guys. Appreciate you guys.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you guys. Appreciate you. See you. Guys, kailangan ko pakita sa inyo yung mga bago nating merch na available sa buzzwipemotorsport.com. And yung unang merch is this one. Ito yung isang shirt natin. Correct. Favorite ko itong shirt na to kasi talagang ito yung essence ng bakit tayo nagkokotse. You build it, you drive it, you break it, but you enjoy it together with your friends. Kaya yan yung design ng shirt na yan. Ito naman yung second shirt natin. No risk, no Porsche. Ito yung motivation natin. Ito yung motto natin na if wala kang risk, hindi ka magkakaroon ng magandang kotse. Kailangan mo talaga magsipag, magtrabaho at mag-risk para magkaroon ka ng Porsche in the future. So yan, yan yung shirt natin. Ito naman yung design niya sa harap, simple lang. Yan. For our third shirt, ito yung favorite ko. Auto Gallery Buzzype Deconstructed AE86. So hindi wala-wala ko yung peso ng 86. Ganyan, sobrang favorite ko yung design niya. Very artsy. And sa harap naman, 4AGE na makina. Yan yung design niya. Siyempre, yan. Sobrang simple, angas lang. So, check out nyo buzzypemotorsport.com if gusto nyo bumili ng merch. And malaking bagay ito sa akin. So, yun guys, start na sila. Let's go! Let's watch!
Let's no night, I'm strong. Let's no night, what's up? She's so fine, I think I fell in love. Girl, I just wanna party all night, go circles all night, seeing double vision blurry. I can get you on my mind, going off. The liquor hit the spot, it's too precise. Let me buy you a couple drinks, run it up, it's rolling dice, oh yeah.
So yeah, yun na tapos yung vlog natin. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. And check out nyo yung merch natin, buzzypemotorsport.com. Maraming salamat kay Lord na na-experience natin to. And yeah, always tandaan, enjoy car life. Peace.
Let's no night,